All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Let me tell you, if you're seeing this video right now, the truck might be for sale or it may be in my driveway. But what we got today is a 14 Jeep Wrangler Sport, and I'm talking thousands and thousands of dollars of money spent, and money very well spent on one of the nicest Jeep Wranglers I've personally purchased over the past 26 years in the car business. Absolutely rust-free, Southern Jeep out of Florida. I'm gonna give you guys a list of all the upgrades on my website. If it makes it to my website, you guys can find that at deluxemotorsports.com. Give you a little shot of the under. I mean, just some one-of-a-kind, beautiful upgrades done to this Jeep. The color's fabulous. The color match paintwork is unbelievable. You can see how well the fender flares match. Anyway, custom interior as well. Diamond stitched orange to match.
The best place to buy a new car and the best place to buy a used car.
Freaking monster 10-inch big screen. Custom roll bar. Of course, color matched those shit handles. Come on now. Anyway, we gotta finish cleaning it up, detailing it up, servicing it. I mean, look at that. Look at that. Look at the grips. Even the grips get me excited. Anyway, 14 Wrangler. The best thing about this Wrangler, 45,000 miles. You guys heard it, 45,000 miles. Beautiful upgraded rear bumper. Undercarriage, again, no rust, Fox shocks. You can see the upgraded exhaust. I mean, all the way down to the taillights have been upgraded. We are adding a fifth wheel carrier to this side right here. There is a full fifth wheel spare to match. This is a set of 37 Toyota Open Countries. One of the best MTs you can put on a Jeep or truck. I mean, look at the paint, near flawless. Maybe a couple small little, tiny blemishes here and there, but it looks like a 45,000 mile Jeep for sure. Fully functional winch. All the light bars work the way they should. You got a rough country bar in the center, rough country up top, 4 rigid pods on the sides. Again, we'll have the full information directly on our website, deluxemotorsports.com. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys like and subscribe in this video. Bottom right-hand corner of your screen right there, you can click, hit that subscribe button. We post tons of vehicles for sale. We're a specialty lifted truck dealer right here in Latson, South Carolina, the greater Charleston area. If you guys ain't familiar with Latson, we're about to put Latson on the map. Anyway, fifth wheel spare is coming. That's gonna get mounted. A freaking beautiful, beautiful Jeep inside and out. Again, folks, a rare burnt orange 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sport, 45,000 original miles. I even forgot too, it's got front and rear gears. I don't know what size yet. I'm gonna figure that out. It's definitely been geared. After driving it, it's got some torque, and she gets up to speed quickly for highway. Again, if you guys have any questions, give us a call direct, 843-497, or no, excuse me, 843-697-7501. Again, Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Till next time, next video, you guys drop a comment. Let me know what you guys like most about this Wrangler. Y'all take it easy. Peace.